opponents may say that many factors contribute to increased violence in children. This is true, but does not take away from the fact that many children exhibit greater aggression as a result of playing violent video games.
From an anonymous survey we conducted at Roosevelt High School, 60 students were polled. Out of those who played violent video games, when the question, do you feel more aggressive when after playing? 40% responded yes. When asked the question, do you think playing violent video games will cause you to be more violent? 40% also responded yes. As we can see, many are affected. Again, we're not trying to say all students. That's not our position.
Our opponents have stated parents need to take responsibility for their children. This is true, but does not take away from the fact that exposure to violent video games causes many children to become more violent.
Our opponents cited specific studies which concluded there was not a link between video game violence and real-world violence. The APA, that's the American Psychological Association, came to the opposite conclusion. Quote, research indicates exposure to violence in video games increases aggressive thoughts, aggressive behaviors, and angry feelings among youth. End quote. In addition, the APA committee chair psychologist Elizabeth Carl said, quote,
30 seconds.
Showing violent acts without consequences teaches children that violence is an effective means of resolving conflict, whereas seeing pain and suffering as a consequence can inhibit aggressive behavior, end quote.